one of the reasons why people who love skincare, you know, we all have that woman in our life who she knows everything about skincare. She's got a routine. There's a reason why people who love skincare come to QVC, because when you want really great skincare and you want a value so shockingly good, you get shopper's high just thinking about it. That's what we're doing today. You know, I was talking about this at noon and I said, I don't think it's really my job today to convince you that Perricone MD is good skincare. It's been proven for decades, clinical studies, trials, customers loving it. But I am here to tell you, if you love Perricone, stock up now. If you've never tried this best-in-class skincare, this is your chance to get in, because right here, what you see is the Cold Plasma Plus. This is the Advanced Serum Concentrate. It is at $249. Just for this jar. It is the #1 product within the entire brand. Why? Because it's the jar that does it all. Multitasking powerhouse right here. I cannot wait to show you what this does to your skin. But this on its own is $249. For $110 less, and again, if just this were the today's special value at $139, I'd be able to say you save $110. But no, you're actually going to save $300. Here's why. Because once you put this on your skin, you need to follow up with a moisturizer. And so we have two, and they are excellent. This is the Cold Plasma Plus, that daily defense moisturizer with the SPF 35. And it's not just SPF, and it's not just hydration. This goes to work on things like sagging jowls. Think about that. Amazing, right? And then for that skin on your neck and chest, if you feel like your chest is starting to get the crisscross lines and sagging, this also is coming with it, and this on its own would be $95. So if sold separately, $439, we've taken $300 off this price for just today, and now you get it home for $27.80. Now, I'm talking about powerhouses here. I want to show you something. Look at this forehead. So in the before, there's no shame in lines and wrinkles. It just means a life well lived, right? You've been living life, things happen. But after 2 weeks, she still has all the wise experience, but none of the wrinkles, right? So take a look after 2 weeks. Those lines on her forehead are erased almost, and that is a particularly difficult place for lines and wrinkles to be addressed. That's just from the Cold Plasma. Now, that Cold Plasma neck and chest, take a look at the depth, the width of the wrinkles, the firmness or lack thereof in the before. In the after 4 weeks, toner, less wrinkles, brighter skin, and she's being protected from further sun damage with that physical only non-chemical sunscreen. If you love Perricone, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you. Our phone number's on the screen, but save $300 today. If you want to go on auto delivery, we can send this out to you every 90 days for a year. Christina Morales is with us. She is a esthetician, a vital part of the Perricone brand. And when you had, first of all, as a QVC host, I want to scream from the rooftops, you're saving $300. But that's not why the Perricone team put this together. The price I can talk about. But you guys put it together with a strategy for completely overhauling someone's skin.
Yes, absolutely. When we were compiling this collection of Cold Plasma Plus All-Stars for you, we kept in mind the person that wants a minimalistic routine but powerful results. We thought of someone who maybe needs an extra nutrition for their skin, a boost in their routine, or someone that has a lot of products but maybe you're not seeing the results that you want from those products. We kept you in mind. So we created this collection, Cold Plasma Plus franchise, all the powerful Perricone MD sciences that you know, you love, and you trust, and created multitasking powerhouses for you.
You know, here at QVC, we are for all people, but we really focus on women over 50, 60, 70. Guy, this one's for you. Yes. Ladies, now, can you use it if you're 30 or 40? 100%. But 50, 60, 70, 80 and up, this is for you. Take a look at what I'm talking about. Look at these results after just 2 weeks. And this is only using the Cold Plasma Plus serum. So I just want to say, Christina, she wasn't actually even allowed to follow up with the moisturizer. No. She could only use the serum. She couldn't even use a moisturizer, and look at what happened.
So imagine how much better the skin just continues
Everyone at home,
to get.
you'll get it even better because you'll have the SPF, you'll have the
Yes.
moisturizer, only allowed to use the serum, and look at her skin.
But this is a serum, and this is why we call this the one jar that does it all, because it handles any skin concerns, those common invisible signs you're seeing here, the nasolabial folds, the lines and wrinkles on the forehead.
Looks like they've been plumped out from the inside out. Now, it's actually topical outside in, but have you ever seen skincare that can do this? Here's that neck and chest SPF.
Oh, yeah. This is another multitasking powerhouse in the collection. Look at the before, the neck, the chest, the decollete area. You've got lines, you've got wrinkles, you've got creping, dryness. Another one, a lot of creping in between the chest area there. Age spots, tone, texture looking a little bit rough, a little bit dry, in need of some TLC. After 4 weeks of using the neck cream, with an SPF of 25 included, you are seeing the astonishing results of the power of Perricone MD Cold Plasma Plus Sciences in true action.
If you're going to buy them all separately, it would be $439, and these are some of the most popular products in the entire Perricone line. So you're saving $300 getting it with us, but you're getting the same results as everybody else who spends $439. I want to start right here with that Cold Plasma Serum. This on its own is $249. For $110 less than just the serum, we're giving you the entire thing. It is the best-selling product within the Perricone MD brand because one jar really does it all.
Yes. If you are fighting concerns of fine lines, of wrinkles, of tone, textural issues, maybe it's pore size, which we don't normally correlate to aging, right? You don't think of that firsthand, but as you lose structure and collagen and elastin in the skin, the pores drop and open up. Or maybe it's loss of tightness, tone, and firmness overall. This product can do something for your skin now and over time, and you're going to see even more clinicals where we prove that technology 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 20 days, etc. Those clinicals we're so incredibly proud of. It truly demonstrates the power of Perricone Cold Plasma Plus Advanced Concentrate Serum. And here's the power. It's all within our formulations, our vitamin C ester, our omega-369, rich fatty acids, our copper tripeptides, DMAE, these skin strengtheners, all wrapped into our liquid crystal delivery system, which captures those ingredients, deposits them deeply within the skin, and prompts them to get to work fast. So fast, over 1.7 million of you have purchased within the Cold Plasma Plus franchise and have agreed, this is 5 stars, and I mean, you're seeing the 5 stars in action right here. The before and after, 2 weeks difference. The
2 weeks.
lines, wrinkles.
It's like if you had this right now by Mother's Day.
Yes.
It's wild.
Right, totally. Memorial Day even. Oh my goodness. The lines, wrinkles nearly erased within 2 weeks. The texture, the tone improved. Healthy, radiant skin showing through. And then it continues to get better the more frequently you incorporate this into your routine. 2 weeks. I love, love, love what Cold Plasma Plus technology can do for you.
Okay, so you're seeing the pictures. For me, those before and afters really tell it all. But also, this has been clinically studied, tested, tried over and over and over. In fact, actually, you're going to see some information pop up on your screen. Pretty much everybody benefits from this, including you. You're just getting it at a better price.
Yes, whether you're experiencing one or multiple signs of aging, right? You will be able to benefit from this. In a clinical study, we've got, after 4 weeks of based image analysis, 100% saw an improvement in lines and wrinkles. It doesn't get any better than that. 97% saw an improvement in pore size. Remember when I said you lose that collagen and elastin over time, the structure of your skin changes.
And also, when your pores get bigger, that's when you start to get textural issues, kind of that like orange peel skin. Okay, so that's the #1 product. This sits on QVC.com at $245. You go to the fancy department stores, it's I'm sorry, I'm saying that wrong. It's actually $249. So this is $249 on QVC, at the fancy department stores, Perricone MD's stores and websites, and it is still at $249, the global bestseller in this brand. Obviously worth it. But today, for $110 less than the cost of this, you are also getting the Cold Plasma Plus Neck and Chest and the Cold Plasma Plus Daily Defense Moisturizer that each have physical-only sunscreen in them. I would love to talk about the neck and chest because for so many women, this is where we struggle the most.
Absolutely.
And as we go into summer, this is where you're probably not putting on enough sunscreen.
No, never. You know, I always like to say the neck, the chest, the decollete area, I've been an esthetician for 20 years. I kid you not, this is the most forgotten about area, but we show age the fastest there. Why is that? It's because it's a different type of skin. Do you know you don't produce oil glands there? So there's no hydration, which leads to dryness, which leads to a breakdown of collagen and elastin. Maybe it's the fine lines, wrinkles you're noticing. Maybe it's the crepiness or that turkey neck. This is why we formulated this neck and chest product. It's a lightweight, multitasking treatment that goes from the neck, the chest, the decollete area, and covers you with an SPF, of 25, a physical SPF. So no chemicals, mineral-based, perfectly healthy and beautiful on the skin.
And look at the results after 4 weeks. That is wild.
I love these clinicals. 4 weeks. It is a significant difference. Not only is the tone texture better in her skin, the tightness, those lines, those wrinkles, elasticity, the crepiness that you get, improved. Then this one, I love this one because you're really seeing the spotlight in that shading, right? And the contours of the neck that show our age. This one, I am a former tanaholic. This was the first thing that began to show my age as I continue on life. Before and after, 4 weeks. The crepiness, the texture significantly improved, but also the age spots that you're seeing here, the brightness, the overall complexion of her skin. You can feel confident wearing those necklines this summer.
This is a radical improvement in skin. And so after 8 weeks, the results just keep getting better and better and better. Her neck is firmer. The lines and wrinkles are lessened. And she is getting something that is crucial. SPF 25, physical only sunscreen to protect the skin from further signs of aging. In fact, everybody basically who used this got skin firmness and tightening. That's huge. Under the chin.
Yes,
under
totally.
the décolleté.
And this is, again, a common concern that I hear about all the time as an esthetician. So to be able to deliver those results to you and to do so in a fast and efficient way truly demonstrates the power of Perricone MD science.
Yeah, and if you think you don't need an SPF for your chest and décolleté, think about, like I had a doctor say this once and I'm going to share it with you. Think about the skin on your butt cheek or any place else that usually doesn't see like any sun versus the skin on your décolleté. That's the difference of being exposed to the sun, right?
Yes.
You know, maybe there's parts of your body that are really smooth and even skin tone because they haven't been getting the sun. That easy sunscreen is the best way to go. Now, here's, if you're just joining us, you're saving $300 today. We know Perricone MD, it's not just at QVC, it is one of the most sought after skincare lines in the country. However, it also, and Christine, I hope you don't mind me saying this, because of the ingredient deck and the efficacy tends to be a little bit more costly than other brands, certainly more than like a drugstore brand. However, that said, you don't have to spend $439 getting this home. You get the same results. You're going to get it home for 5 easy payments of $27.80. This right here, that Cold Plasma Plus on its own is $249. And if you think, who would pay that? Well, one, you probably have never used it. And two, just know it's the most popular product in their entire line because people try it and say, I guess I'm paying the $249. That really worked. It was worth it, right?
Yes.
So for $110 less than the serum, you're getting the Cold Plasma Plus neck and chest with the SPF 25 that we just showed you and the Cold Plasma Daily Defense Moisturizer. These would be $95 a piece. If sold separately, $439. We've dropped $300 off the price only on QVC, only for today. Now, I've been really talking a lot about the SPF because I think it is crucial. However, you can get an SPF lots of places. The reason you want to use this as your daytime moisturizer is because it goes to work on things like sagging jowls.
Oh, yeah.
By the way, as a QVC host, that's not something I typically say because we cannot overpromise on QVC. They overpromise on all the Instagram ads. They overpromise. Sometimes I'm at the store and I'm like, are they allowed to say that on those end caps? Like, overpromising is everywhere in the world of beauty. We don't overpromise on QVC. We do not overpromise on QVC. So the moisturizer that works on everything from firmness to sagging jowls.
Yeah, this
Sign me up.
Sign me up, right? And then you get the SPF factor. It's a beautiful formulation, and it is going to deliver the most beautiful results to you. And it really finishes out our three-piece collection here. You've gone in with the serum, you're treating the neck, chest, and decollete, and then you're finishing with this beautiful moisturizer that is multitasking, that yes, addresses jowling, huge concern I see all the time with my clients. Fine lines, wrinkles, tone, but also brightness too, and vibrancy to your skin. All you have to do is apply. Nickel-sized amount, just that much. It has a mineral-based SPF and blends seamlessly into the skin. So this is a concentrated dose